उपराज्यपाल कार्यालय से नहीं दिया गया है। मैंने कहा ना, ये संकल्प आम आदमी पार्टी के संयोजक के साथ साथ आम आदमी पार्टी के सभी नेताओं को लेने चाहिए।
रजिस्टर्ड डाक से भेज दिया आपने लोगों को?
हमने इसको रजिस्टर्ड डाक से भेजा है कि कल को वो फिर मुकर ना जाए कि हमें नहीं मिला। तो भाई, ये झूठ ना बोलने की आदत आज से ही प्रारंभ करें।
सर, एक अवैध बांग्लादेशियों के खिलाफ लगातार दिल्ली पुलिस का ऑपरेशन जारी है और अब तक 18 जो संदिग्ध हैं उनको लगभग पकड़ा जा चुका है। संदिग्ध,
देखिए, दिल्ली की सुरक्षा के लिए कोई भी अवैध निवासी, वो बांग्लादेशी हो, रोहिंग्या हो या किसी भी प्रांत का हो, वो खतरा है। और मुझे अफसोस इस बात का है कि मेरी अपनी दिल्ली को बर्बाद करने के लिए यहाँ के अरविंद केजरीवाल, उसकी पार्टी जिस तरह से उन्हें पालने का प्रबंध कर रही थी, वो खुलासा धीरे धीरे होने लगा। मुझे खुशी इस बात की है कि मात्रा बहुत बड़ी संख्या में 18 तो पकड़े गए हैं, लेकिन जानकारी मिली कि बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी अंडरग्राउंड और भाग रहे हैं। तो हम तो निवेदन करें कि दिल्ली के सभी मतदाता अपने आसपास निगाह रखें और कहीं भी कोई अवैध बांग्लादेशी या रोहिंग्या दिखाई देता है तो तुरंत पुलिस को सूचित करें।
सर, एक छोटी सा सवाल और
सर, अरविंद केजरीवाल ने मोहन भागवत जी को एक लेटर लिखा है जिसके अंदर उन्होंने कहा है कि 5 सवाल किए हैं। कहा बीजेपी पिछले कई दिनों से गलत काम कर रही है, आरएसएस समर्थन करती है, क्या खुलकर पैसा बांट रहे हैं, इस तरीके की।
अरविंद केजरीवाल, अभी मैंने आपको ये 5 सवाल आपसे पूछे हैं, मेहरबानी करके इसको ध्यान से पढ़ लें और फिर मैं कह रहा हूँ, झूठ बोलना बंद करें। आइए, हाँ, ये चिट्ठी चाहिए आपको?
Attack after attack being exchanged by the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. We're all building up to the Delhi elections. The model code of conduct could be kicking in at any point. Schemes being doled out, allegations being made, and in the very latest, Delhi BJP chief has hit out at ex-chief minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. He singled him out, saying that he must stop lying to the people of Delhi. He also spoke very briefly though about the issue of illegal immigrants in the national capital and said that such instances, told the people of Delhi to report such instances to the local police, said that this is not in the interest of the people of Delhi. All of this happening as we build up to the Delhi elections. It's a big issue between the two parties as far as the voter list is concerned, as far as illegal immigrants are concerned. Piyush, my colleague, is joining me for more on this. Piyush, a fresh letter being written by Arvind Kejriwal to Mohan Bhagwat, but the BJP says that the former chief minister must stop peddling lies.
Well, that's what the letter which has been written by Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva to former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, where he has not only wished him a Happy New Year, but also, has written down 5 points in that particular letter, where he says that that he hopes Arvind Kejriwal would never swear on his children, on his kids. He also hopes that the kind of promises which he made, he will never make and never play with the lives of people of Delhi. He has also, requested Arvind Kejriwal not to encourage people to, buy more liquor. And also, he has also requested Arvind Kejriwal to not make fake promises to the people as far as cleaning Jamuna is concerned. So there are 4 to 5 points which Virendra Sachdeva has mentioned in his letter to the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He has also said that the kind of, suggestions which Sachdeva is making to Kejriwal, he hopes that Kejriwal would follow and at least follow on the path of righteousness. This is what Virendra Sachdeva is saying. Now we'll have to see how Aam Aadmi Party is further going to react on this letter, which has now been written by Virendra Sachdeva.
The stakes clearly getting high now, Piyush. It's almost like, every hour now there's a barb being exchanged. The two parties clearly feeling the heat now and running out of time as far as elections are concerned.
Well, absolutely. Just ahead of the announcement of assembly elections in Delhi, we are seeing allegations versus counter allegations and various points being raised by both political parties. Today, it's Viren Sachdeva who has written a letter to Arvind Kejriwal. Yesterday, Atishi had written a letter to Delhi LG claiming that various institutions, religious institutions are being attacked in Delhi. So we are now seeing how allegations versus counter allegations coming in, and day by day, various things are now coming to the fore, and both political parties, be it about Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, have locked horns over various issues. Though Congress has also jumped in on that particular front, the Congress is also attacking Aam Aadmi Party. We'll have to wait and watch what is going to happen in coming few days, because we can expect the model code of conduct also to be implemented in Delhi, and very soon the announcement of elections to take place.
Thanks, Piyush, for bringing us all those details.